and welcome to Spread the Happiness. Some people have been having problems making dough for our Spread the Happiness TV live YouTube every morning at 9:30. So I thought I would come in my kitchen and show you how easy it is. In our book and on our website, spreadthehappiness.co.uk, you can download this recipe. It's a non-cook recipe, so it's really quick. Okay, here's what we need. Let's go. We need a cup of flour. Woo! Oh, even the mugs are happy here at Spread the Happiness. And then we need, I'm only doing half the mix, so you need a spoonful of oil. There we go. Goodbye oil. I'm just using flour, but any oil is good. A little bit of salt. You don't even need salt necessarily. And the magic ingredient for keeping your dough, and this proves I'm a teacher because I've got a giant pot of it, is just 2 tablespoons of cream of tartar. I'm only using 1. Now, here's the secret. You don't even need cream of tartar. I'll show you in a minute, but your dough will only last a day. Here I'm using cocoa, right, or hot chocolate, but if you use hot chocolate, mix it in hot water first. You can use food colouring, or you don't even have to use that, okay? Pouring it all into my bowl, and I keep my spoon because the key ingredient for non-cook is boiling water. Here's the kettle I boiled earlier. So pour in enough boiling water into your jug. It has to be done by adults really, or definitely under adult supervision. I'm pouring in and I'm mixing, but I'm just watching myself with the water, okay? How much water do I need? I'll keep going because we've got, this will make enough dough for like 4 children. So if you want to have a good go at this, it's quite interesting. Don't put your hands in yet because that's why I'm using a spoon. As you can see, it's still quite dry, but don't worry if you make a mistake because you're going to just add more flour and make more dough. Okay, how are we getting on here, dough? We're getting into a sticky substance like this, okay? And so now, it's okay. Test it first. I think I'm going to need to put some more flour in, but as you can see, I'm going to get my flour here. It doesn't even matter what flour you use. You could use plain flour, self-raising. I know there's people were saying you can't get self-raising flour, but you can use any flour. You can see here I've added more. It's still a bit hot, so be careful of your fingers. Ouchie fingers. It's like a dough disco for adults. And then tip it out onto your surface. Put my bowl over here. Then I'm just kneading and creating a lovely dough to play with. Can you see that? I wish you could smell it because it smells like chocolate. Look how much that makes. There is the size probably that your child will need for dough disco. It's a bit sticky still, so if you leave it to cool, it'll be much better. Keep adding flour, keep going with that. But here's one I made earlier. This has been sitting while I've been videoing, and this is no cream of tartar. So look at that, no salt, no cream of tartar, just flour, oil, a little bit of salt and water. There we go, look at that, perfect. This one will last 24 hours. This one in an airtight tub will last you 1 to 2 days dependent. Your other option, buy our disco dough, and you can get that at spreadthehappiness.co.uk. It's not expensive, it's in individual pots, and it lasts up to 6 months. Woo!